In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Samsung TV when it's connected to Wi-Fi but has no internet. First, restart your TV and your Wi-Fi router to refresh the connection. Next, go to Settings, Network, and then Network Status on your TV to run a connection test and see if it's detect any issues. Then, check that your Wi-Fi password is correct and that your network is functioning on other devices. If the problem continues, forget the Wi-Fi network on your TV and reconnect by entering the password again. You can also update your TV software under Settings, Support, and then Software Update, as outdated firmware can cause connectivity problems. And that's how you quickly fix Samsung TV Wi-Fi connected but no internet.